Hey everybody, having a great day, a great night. My name is Brianna, and I decided to do a little bit different. So I'm going to start doing some vlogs over on this channel. This is my vlog channel. So I'm going to follow me along in this little, doing some like fallish stuff, you know, just throughout the week. But I'm actually going to make some dinner right now. Making some macaroni and cheese. That is dairy-free and gluten-free. I'm dairy-free. I went off about 6 years ago, and I've kind of like got on and off, but I'm really just like off it completely now. I only have like little spurts before it like makes me sick. So I've been wanting to try out this mac and cheese. So I'm gonna show you guys because if it's good, I'll be really excited. Okay, so this is it. It's a Daya macaroni and cheese. I just got like the plain like deluxe stuff. So kind of already opened it up because I wanted to kind of see the little stuff to it, but it looks like just cook up the noodles and then put sauce over it. So yeah, let's try this. So I got my mac and cheese right here. It was pretty easy to make. It smells like cheese, like mac and cheese, like not real cheese, but mac and cheese. So actually, this does taste like mac and cheese, just a little bit stronger, but out of all the fake cheese I've ever tried, this is the most right on. I'm really surprised. I'm actually really impressed. So I actually just got this from Walmart, so if you guys ever want to try it, you can go to Walmart and grab one. So I would probably give it honestly like a 9 out of 10. I'm really impressed with like this because dairy-free products, a lot, especially cheeses, have more of a chemical flavor, and I'm not tasting that. So I'm almost finished this, and I actually want to give it a little different review. So it's good. Still it's pretty cheesy, but as you eat more, like it's very strong, and so I feel like it's almost too much. So you want to put something else, maybe water it down with a little bit of like almond milk, or something would be a lot better, or have something else, and I think would be really good. So that's my only complaint, is that. But besides that, I think it's like still pretty good. So I'll probably move it down to a 7. Because it does become too much and you're kind of like, oh, I'm kind of done by the end, but yeah. Hey everybody, so it's a little early. I'm up here actually getting wood with my family. There was a lot of fires through here, so all these trees are dead. And so we're gonna collect the wood and then take it back because they have a wood burning stove. So it's really nice during the winter. Where's my voice going? But you have to get wood to be able to do that, so that's what we're doing today. I've not done this in years. That doesn't have anything to do with anything. I'm just like, I want to sleep in today, but I'm gonna try to do that, so let me show you. If you saw some of my old vlogs a few years ago, it was like all this wood had burnt. So these are a lot of the dead trees. Trees are dead. And then I think we're gonna be getting a lot of those ones. So they're all dead. We're gonna cut them down and then be able to use the wood in the wood burning stove, and then they'll stay warm all winter. Oh, there goes the chainsaw. So yeah, this will be fun.
Sugar, wanna be there by your side. For better things, you know that this was better. Wanna take it back, you know I still remember. I know that you hate when I catch you in a lie. Even more when you know I'm right. You didn't think that I'd be so good, but you didn't think that I'd be having going so good, but you didn't think that I'd be.
you can hear us. I'm here with this girl. Hey. So, we're getting ready. What are we getting? We're getting up a Christmas thing. It's like November, but whatever. And then we're gonna be filming a video which will be posted on sometime. The next video, whatever video you guys will see. So keep an eye out. But yeah, we're just here getting a few things and cute this is. Oh, it's adorable. Store. And just a grocery store to get a few things for Thanksgiving. And they did not have like two of the big things I was even going there for. And I was like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna have to go to the store anyways. That's gonna be cheaper. So waiting, and I'm gonna go to the next one and hopefully get those. But I also need to go to and grab a couple things. So that should be fun. From somewhere else, from my storage unit. Okay, so I went and got all the groceries. It's mostly just like potatoes and then a little bit of milk and then whipped cream for Thanksgiving because I'm making potatoes and then taking the whipped cream because I want some dairy-free stuff for the pies. And there's a few other people that like my family I think will like it. So it's not coconut, so it's great. So I want to show you what I'm making. So I got some ground turkey here and I'm going to be mixing it up with a little bit of this Montreal steak seasoning. A little bit of this panko breadcrumbs, so mix it up together, and then I have my Instapot, so I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom, put that, in the bottom there, and then I'm going to just take some green beans and put around them too, so that will cook up, and I won't even try pressure cook it. I'm just going to actually just turn it on here, and then cook it without the lid. Who knows, maybe I'll change my mind, but I just thought this should be pretty easy, to do like a full oven, you know. So I think I'll just do this. We'll do it in 10 minutes just in case, but I think I'm gonna do it without. Okay, here it is. I'm actually gonna microwave the green beans, but these are the meatballs. Okay, so also you shouldn't go to the store when you're hungry and go to the dessert section. But I also feel like I deserve a little treat. I got these like cookie brownies bars, so I'm gonna try making these up and we'll see how they turn out, but I'm really excited because they look yummy. Okay, so I didn't realize it was like a square and didn't make all that much, but it's right here. So it's like in the middle pan. I should have put tin foil and then did that, but I didn't really realize it until I put it down. So I just won't cook it as long and hopefully it'll be fun. Okay, so it kind of expanded out, but it's not too bad. I'm not disappointed at all. Okay, so I'm just here actually just folding. I've about to fold my laundry for the night. But you guys, so Thanksgiving is next week for me, and I believe the video should be out. If not, it'll be this week for you guys. And I think so many people are struggling. So I'm gonna be with family and some don't, depending on like where you're at. But I'm excited because I'm gonna be with my family. I'm excited just to be around people and just to kind of have some normalcy that I have not had in months. So I'm really, really excited for that. But I just encourage you, no matter what your situation is or what you can and can't do, is to remember what you're thankful for, to thank God, to thank those around you, just really to focus on the important things no matter what you're doing, and just make the best of your situation. Let me know down below what you're doing for Thanksgiving. I'd love to hear it, but yeah, hope you guys have a great day, great night. Bye, I love you.